Hey everybody, welcome back to our family pantry. Today we're going to show you how to make cornbread pudding. So why don't you come a little closer and we'll show you how to make it. Ingredients that you're going to need for the cornbread pudding is going to be the Jiffy corn muffin mix, melted butter, canned corn,
cream corn, sugar, sour cream, and eggs.
Okay, and so we're going to start off by first adding our corn muffin mix into the mixing bowl.
And then we'll get the bread in or the butter in there into the cornbread.
Next, we're going to add our corn. And then our cream corn.
We want to make sure we get everything out. We don't waste anything.
Yep.
Now and then give this a little mix.
Yeah, we're just going to go ahead and mix that in some.
Now this is cornbread pudding or sweet corn casserole, but it's more of like a spoon bread rather than an actual cornbread because it's a lot softer and it's a little bit sweet. There's like a corn cake that some cultures make, and it reminds us a little bit of that you kind of scoop out with an ice cream scooper, but it's soft like that and sweet.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our eggs. Just going to pour that in there. Just get that stirred in some. Now, we're going to go ahead and add our sour cream. Just get that right in there. And following our sour cream, we're going to go ahead and add the sugar. Now we're going to go ahead and give that final mixture. Make sure to blend all the ingredients in. Now we have our 8x8 greased pan, and we're going to go ahead and pour the mixture in there. Just make sure you scrape it all out, get all that goodness in there. And while we're doing this, our oven is preheating at 350.
All right. Then we just want to smooth out that top. And then this will go in the oven for about 45 minutes on 350 uncovered, just until it's set and it's no longer wiggly, and so you can kind of check it just to make sure. So we'll see you back in about 45 minutes.
Okay, we've taken it out of the oven. It's been resting for a little bit and it has a beautiful, nice golden color to it. So we're gonna go ahead and take a little sample. We just want to remind you guys that it's not cornbread, and so it's more of a loose texture.
It's a little more it's a lot more moist than cornbread. You wanna try it?
Sure.
Good.
It's delicious.
Mm-hmm. And it's a perfect texture to have the whole corn in there too. So you get the nice flavors and the textures of the rich corn kernels. But it's light and fluffy and a little bit sweet and really good, huh?
It is.
It's a perfect side dish. We're gonna have it with Mississippi pot roast. If you want that recipe, let us know in the comments below and we can make a video for you for that one.
Yeah. So there you have it. Here's our cornbread pudding. And we hope that you try it, you like it, share some comments with us, let us know how you like it. Thanks for coming to our family pantry. We'll see you next time.
Have a good day.